Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to insert a signature in Google Docs. And this is very simple. First, place your cursor where you want to insert the signature. Then from here we go to insert, then we go to drawing, and then we click on new. Then right here, we click here on the select line, and then we go to scribble. And then from here, you make your signature. So let's see something like this, and then this, and this is my signature. Then what you can do is save and close. And then right here, we can make it a little bit smaller, maybe smaller. And then right now, if you can see, you have here your signature and with the text here that you already created. And then this is your signature. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.